let's get to cooking. This is what we're doing today at Memaw's house. Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. Today we're in the kitchen baking a cake for my sister Stella. It is her birthday and I wanted to make her a lemon cake. That's what she requested and that's what I made her. So let's get to cooking. Here are the ingredients that we'll be using for our lemon buttermilk cake. And you know I have the list down in the description box. We'll start by creaming our melted butter and sugar, and then we'll add our oil, and we'll get those all creamed together. This cake isn't like your traditional pound cake that has sticks of butter and sugar that we cream together. This is oil and sugar, and we want to just get that mixed well together. And of course, I'm going to crack my eggs into a separate container, and I will add them to the butter and sugar mixture one at a time. And you already know all of my ingredients are at room temperature. Of course, with the eggs, we really want them at room temperature because that will allow them to get good volume and beat up very nice and fluffy. I've already grated the rind off my lemon, and now I'm adding the lemon juice. Now that I've added my lemon juice and my lemon extract to the mixture, I'm going to alternate my flour and my buttermilk into the batter. I always start with the flour and I end with the flour. So I'll do flour, buttermilk, flour, buttermilk, flour. And you know I'm going to hand mix the rest of my batter together right here at the end with the last little bit of flour. Now I'm going to prep my pan and we're going to get our cake in to a 325 degree oven for about 45 minutes. This recipe makes a wet batter, so that means I'll have more air bubbles that may produce because of the buttermilk and the wetness of the batter. So I'm going to tap it out real good to get all the bubbles out of the batter. Now let's go ahead and get the glaze made. Hey y'all, so I am done with the cake. It has baked, it's beautiful. I have made a glaze, but I'm going to take the glaze over to Stella's house. The glaze is 2 ingredients, powdered sugar and lemon juice. I'm going to take the glaze because she's not one for a whole lot of icing on her cake. So I'm gonna take the glaze over to her house and we'll glaze it as we go and as she prefers it. Whatever she wants to do, it is her birthday and I'm going to make sure that she's happy with her lemon cake. So y'all be blessed and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Oh, me. I'm gonna step back and look. Hey y'all, so listen, I'm over here at Aunt Stella's house because I bought the cake and y'all saw the finished cake. See, the cake wasn't finished at my house, but it's finished over here at her house. So we done already sung happy birthday and we're gonna eat some of this cake. No, he brought me kava today. Are we cutting this? Yes, she's cutting it now. Is she cutting this good? Slice like this is. Here, you want a piece, Sam? He's gonna be my taste tester today. I'm gonna cut him this little baby piece. Ooh! Then cut him a skinty piece. He just had a smoothie. Oh yeah, we don't want your blood sugar to be doing nothing tricky. Look at it. Ooh, it's still warm, Sam. It is warm. Ooh, yes. Warm cake too. Y'all want some?
Just a little piece too. I'll just eat some more.
All right, what you think, Uncle Sam?
Oh, it's good.
Is it lemon?
It's lemon. It's real good.
Good. Let's see what my taste test is saying. This is a different situation for them.
This is mine.
Uh-oh, the real piece.
This one.
This Aunt Stella's piece right
It's
there.
delicious.
Is it good?
Real good.
All right, y'all heard it. There it is. Okay, y'all. So you know I have to taste it. So here we go. It's still warm. It's lemon. I like it.
It's yummy.
Again, y'all be blessed. Bye. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We certainly enjoyed visiting with Aunt Stella and Uncle Sam, and she enjoyed her birthday cake. I want you to give the recipe a try. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.